So I'm in a Discord chat right now, as you can see right here. Like all my friends, and they have this music bot player or something like that. Like something you can just replace. Like pretty much you put any any YouTube link and it'll play it for you in the Discord. It's pretty much like chilling and playing music, right? I think about like Knock and Sound troll Twitch streamers, right? So what happens if I play this inside of this? And they actually think like someone's knocking on the door.
Alright, where are we building? Or we can just knock this down.
We can build the same place. Alright, ready?
You're stupid.
Davin, you ready?
Oh god.
That's so stupid.
Wait, I saw some.
Oh.
Bro, I literally stared into the darkness for like a whole minute.
Why?
Okay.
Turn it off, bro, honestly. I literally, listen. I opened my door and I was like, I looked into the main room, and for a solid minute was just like, I was like, bro, something really weird is happening. Bro, I thought it was some paranormal stuff. I really thought, like, I convinced myself it was something paranormal.
Oh man. That's so fun.
God.
Bro, it's like literally, I don't know. I think also, you know how I like started playing again?
Yeah.
I literally heard it like I don't know because my headset's pretty good, but like it sounded like it was like coming like diagonal. Bro, that was like the most realistic thing I ever heard.
Dude, I'm fucking crying.
That was literally the most. That was the most realistic thing I ever heard.